In today's video, I am going to be stuffing a total of $340 amongst my daily envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, and I'm also going to be doing an unboxing of some new envelopes that I have, and I'm going to be unstuffing envelopes from my last pay period. So if you want to stick around for all of that, then just go ahead and stay tuned. If you are here for the very first time, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey, I want to encourage everybody to subscribe to the channel and please give this video a thumbs up. Let's get into it. So I am just going to count the money here, and I am going to put it in the cash holder that I have right here and get started with stuffing. So I only have here 20s and 10s for this particular stuffing. I didn't take out a lot of different denominations for this particular stuffing. So the very first thing that I do is I unstuff my wallet from the last time I was paid for the last 2 weeks and see how much money I have left over, and then I determine what I'm gonna do with my leftover money. So in my grocery envelope, I have $2 left over. I'm just gonna put this back there. And then nothing in household for toiletries, I have $10, $11, $12, $13 left over. And then in my blessing envelope, I have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, $66 left over. So let's see how much money in total I have left over. 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, $81 left over from the last 2 weeks. And I am gonna put that money in my savings challenges, my savings challenge envelope. So next here are my receipts. So I'm just gonna take these out and make sure that I get these scanned into my Fetch Rewards app. If you don't know about Fetch Rewards, it's a really cool app where you scan your receipts and you earn points. You can cash those points in for gift cards. I always cash mine in for Nordstrom gift cards that I use around my birthday. So I really encourage that you do. If you use my code, you will get bonus points, and I'll get bonus points as well when you scan your first receipt. So now that we have the money all out, we're gonna get started. But first, what I'm gonna do is take these envelopes out because I did get some new envelopes, and I got them from Luxe Designs. I have been wanting to get something from this shop for quite some time now, and I'm really excited to be able to use these. These are, the only thing that I might do with these is I might laminate them. There was something else in here, hold on. So this is a sleeve that I did receive, and it says, "Thank you for shopping with us." This is just so amazing. I really like the way that this looks. It's so classy, and I really love the look of her items here. So I got 6 wallets, I think, or 6 envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I got 8 actually. So these are made with cardstock. The only thing that I might do is laminate them, but as of right now, I'm not going to. But they're made out of cardstock because I don't want them to get dirty, and they seem really, really durable. So I got a spending envelope. I hope that you guys can see this. I don't know, I can't really tell on my camera, but this is a spending envelope. This is an entertainment envelope. Well, let me just take all of these out really quick. All right, so these are all of the envelopes. So I got gas. I hope you guys can see. I don't know if it's coming out good. So this is gas. This is groceries. This is eating out. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, maybe here we go. This is eating out. This is miscellaneous. This is household. This is beauty, entertainment, and spending. So I definitely don't use all of these envelopes, you know, on a weekly basis. The ones I use is groceries, barely use eating out, but household, and I don't think I have a toiletries one, but I'm just gonna say use beauty for toiletries. These were they're not like personalized in a way where I was able to choose the actual category that I wanted. So that's what I'm gonna go with here. I do plan on using a lot of these envelopes, these daily envelopes, in the summertime. So that's the reason why I got those categories, like eating out. I really do plan to do a lot of stuff in the summertime. So spending will probably be here, and then entertainment, and then miscellaneous and gas will be the last envelopes. So I really do think that I am going to laminate them just so that they last longer and that they don't get dirty. So first we're gonna start with groceries. Groceries is gonna get $150. That's 7 20s and 2 10s. 1 10, sorry. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50. That's going in there. And then next up is toiletries, which is beauty, but it's getting 30, a 20, and a 10. So I'm gonna put this in household. And then beauty will be a 20 and a 10. And then nothing else is going to get stuff today for my daily envelope. So this looks really nice in here. I really like the way that it looks, the white on the pink. I really love this wallet. So crafty. So now if you are looking, I got the smaller one, so I cannot wait till that comes in the mail. I'm hoping that my battery doesn't die. It's almost dead, so I'm trying to hurry up. So next up is my sinking funds binder. And in here, I am going to be contributing $20 to my household, or my my home maintenance envelope, which is in here, which I need to create a home maintenance envelope. So I'm just gonna put $20 in here. And put this back. And then next up is car maintenance. And car maintenance is gonna get $20. So it's time for me to really start contributing to this envelope again. It's 20, 40, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $80 in car maintenance. And then next up is car registration. Car registration is going to be getting $20. And then next up is trash. Trash is going to be getting $20. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. And I actually am gonna need to be unstuffing this soon so that I can pay my trash bill. It's about to be due. Car maintenance, we already did that one. Home maintenance, we did that one. And that is it for this. Yes, that's it for my sinking funds as of right now. Next up is my savings challenges. So I did, for my 52-week savings challenge, which is this one, I took out $20 for this savings challenge. So let me get, so that's $20 here. I'm gonna put this in here. And then for my 3K savings challenge for the year, that's $30. So that's here on the front. So the $30 is, I know it's around here somewhere, because so $30 here. And this is for March. So this is, I'm just starting for March. So I need about 3 more circles that I need to color for March. Now, I have this money here from what was left over. So let me first look at my 52 weeks. So I have $45 left, and then I'll be done with the 52 week for the month of March. So I am going to take $45, and that's going to satisfy this one. So we are done for March. $45. All right. And then next is, I need to circle 3 bubbles here. Let's see what I have left. 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So do we have a 35 bubble? We do. So we have 35 here. So there's an extra $1. I'm gonna take the $1 out. I'm gonna put the 35 here. So good, we are at 2 circles. So I only need 2 more circles for the 3K for the month of March. Bam. And then for the this is just my catch-all savings envelope. Anytime I just feel like saving anything, any money I have left over, I just throw it in here. So it's just super random. So I don't even know how much money is in there. So that is everything for my and that is everything. So if you are interested in this wallet, if you are interested in the envelopes, I will leave them linked down below. But if you made it to the end of this video, please leave a cash symbol. It can be the $, it can be the cash in the bag, whichever one you want to leave, or you could just write out the letters cash or the word cash. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me on today's video. I will see you in the next one. Go be great, besties. Peace out.